So this is the new coffee machine at Coles that they have installed. So I'm gonna select latte, $1 coffee, and light milk. And now we have to decide if we need strong, regular, or weak. So we select strong and we start the product. It looks pretty good. The machine is better than the previous one, I think. And by the time it's gonna make this. So one difference is that the previous machine was faster and this one takes a bit more time to start pouring. Other than that, it does look good and we're almost done. I'm gonna put some sugar in. And we're done. Now I'm just gonna grab my lid and cover it up and move out. Thank you for watching my video and have a great week.